And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you a simple before and after effect. I use this effect a lot to show you what Premiere Pro effects look like in my tutorials. I've got this simple clip to exemplify it, and the easiest way to create this before and after effect, as far as I know, is to just hold Alt and drag a copy of your clip to the top. So I've got the same clip on video channel 1 and video channel 2. And now I just make sure that the one on video channel 1 doesn't have any effects, and I only apply them to video channel 2. Let me just use a monochrome and I drag and drop it onto video channel 2. So it makes it black and white, and the one below is still in color, so let me make that invisible and you can see it. After you've done this, so the one below doesn't have effects, the one above has the effects, just type in crop into effects menu and drag and drop it on the one on video channel 2. So right here it is. By the way, the effects and effect controls can be found under window if you don't see them. And now I'll just use an animation for right. So let me just start it a little bit and you can see it just crops the element on video channel 2 and it makes the one on video channel 1 visible. So I'll click on the clock icon to start the animation, go forward, create a new keyframe. The last keyframe, it needs to be at 0 so that the cropping is 0. And the one before, set it to 100. So everything before this first keyframe only shows the element on video channel 1, and then the element on video channel 2 gets blended or cropped in. Maybe it's a good idea for me to render it so that it runs smoothly. And now you can see it. It goes gradually from left to right and blends in the video channel 2 element. For now it's a very sharp edge. You can feather it out a little bit with this function. Don't go too high. Best way to adjust it is to just use the slider. So go from 0 to 100, that's fine in most cases. And this is how you can create this simple before and after effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.